Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coast Cooking, coming at y'all this evening. I've got another unboxing video for you. Hopefully y'all enjoy those. I enjoy making them, so you know, if you're not into it, that's fine. Just skip over this one. But this is another unboxing video. Okay, kind of gotten the watches here lately, and I want y'all to check this out with me. So let's unbox this bad boy. Let's see what we're looking at. Okay. All right. Right up there. It's like it's upside. Okay. Opens like this. Let me zoom y'all in just a little bit so y'all can see. All right. Now, ooh, pretty box. Right there. All right, I think Meccaniche. I'm not sure how to pronounce this name. I'll be honest, y'all. This is supposed to be an Italian-made watch. All right. Let's just open this box up. Oh wow, isn't that pretty right there? Look at that, y'all. It comes with a couple different bands, but that is. I'm gonna take that off and let y'all just see this. In fact, it's got a little layer of film on it, so we'll take that off. Get that film off the crystal there. You know, all these watches come with like stickers put on them and stuff like that. It shouldn't be too hard to do. But there we go. Yeah, y'all check that out. That is beautiful. Beautiful little watch right there. It is nice. Take out the box here. See what we're looking at. See the band on it? It's nice. A handmade Italian leather band. Of course, this watch, they say it's got Swiss movement, so it's like a Swiss automatic watch. It doesn't take batteries. Isn't that pretty? Look at that, y'all. That is nice. I really like that. Go ahead and see how she wears. Something upside down there. Got some weight to it, y'all. Let's see. Some band there. Yeah, I like that, y'all. I really do. I'm going to enjoy this little watch here. And again, this is something I don't really have to worry about too much if this watch gets knocked up or banged up. You can find, I put a link, I think you can find these on Amazon. I got mine off a Touch of Modern, but I don't suggest doing that unless you're really careful, because I bought some stuff on Touch of Modern before and I wasn't able to return it. So anyway, yeah, just wanted to check in with y'all and let you know got another watch. Just want to do the unboxing with you. Thank y'all so much. Please like my videos, sub my channels. God bless, and I'll see y'all again soon. Do some cooking this weekend.